All right, we're going to solve for each triangle for the congruent triangle for the information given here. So PQ is equal to what? PQ is the first two, so it has to be equal to AB. Okay, we can sort of set up an equation for this to figure out what AB is. We just need to know what X and Y is. Okay, PQ is 2X plus 4. This is going to be equal to AB, which is X plus Y. So technically you can solve here. This cancels, you have X plus 4 is equal to Y. You have this. Okay, we also know that AC, which is these two, is going to be equal to PR. So we have, let's see, AC is equal to PR. 4y minus 13 is equal to 2y plus x. Okay, minus 2y, this cancels. You get 2y minus 13 is equal to x. Whoa, I can actually make the substitution right here. So this becomes 2y minus 13. Okay, that's for x, plus 4 is equal to y. 2y, this becomes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7. So this becomes a negative 7 equals to y. Let's see, minus y, this cancels. You get y minus 7 equals to 0, so y equals to 7. Okay, is there any way I can get x? Oh yeah, I can, right here. I have this, so I have x plus 4 equals to y, but y is technically equals to 7. I have that. So I have x is equal to 3. So here PQ equals to AB, which is just x plus y. So that is going to be my 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So I don't have a lot of room, but PQ is equal to 10. Right? Let's look at 7 here. Angle X is going to be corresponding to angle L. Okay. So angle X is corresponding to angle L. Angle L is just x squared plus 50. Right? Is there anything I can do here? Well, I know M corresponds to Y, and N corresponds to Z. I have L, N, and Y. Oh, perfect. These all because angle L is also angle measurement X. Angle N is also the measurement angle Z. Y is also the measurement of angle M. So technically, this triangle, you can have L and Y all are the angles. So I can technically add all these up. X squared plus 50 plus 40 minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 180. Right? So let's see, this is x squared minus 2x plus 100 equals to 80. Minus 100, x squared minus 2x is equal to 80. Then you can factor this, but what I'm going to do is, I'm going to factor out an x. So this becomes x minus 2 is equal to 80. That wouldn't work here. You know what? I would have to factor it. So x squared minus 2x minus 80 is equal to 100 equals to 0. So the factors here would be what? Let's see, 8 and 10. Yeah, 8x plus 8 x minus 10. X times x is x squared. X times negative 10 here, and yep, perfect, equals to 0. So x is equal to negative 8, or x is equal to 10. Right? So you just have to plug it back in here. There's two answers here. So you can either get what? Negative 8 squared, 64 plus 50 is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can have that, or you can have, let's see, 100 plus 50, which is 150. So these are your two answers. Okay, the reason why is because this is a quadratic. Okay, let's look at this one. Measurement of angle 3 is x squared. Measurement of angle 4 is 7x minus 10. These two are not vertical. These are not vertical. Okay, so how are you gonna solve for this? Let's see. All right, so interesting enough, notice this angle tells you about this opposite side. This angle tells you about this opposite side. You know that AE is congruent to segment BC. So therefore, the angle right here, this angle right here, angle ADE has to be equal. The measurement of angle ADE has to be equal to the measurement of angle BDC because of that right here. So x squared is equal to 7x minus 10. Okay, you have to be able to solve this. So you have to minus 7x both sides plus 10. Minus 7x plus 10. Get x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now you have to factor it. Okay, numbers that multiply to make 10, that adds up to negative 7. So that is x minus 2 and x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, x times x is x squared. Negative 2x plus negative 5x becomes negative 7x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is a positive 10. So x minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 5 equals to 0. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5. Those are your two potential answers. Okay, x equals to 2 or x is equal to 5. There's two answers here. All right.